I'll give you this moment to shine. If you can show any hidden talent.
Hidden talent? My gosh. Pagkakanta. I can sing. I can sing.
Anything.
You can reach me by railway. You can reach me by trailway. You can reach me on an airplane. You can reach me with your mind. You can jump on a speedy coat. Place a quarter in a blaze of hope. I don't care how you get here, just get here if you can. There are hills and mountains between us. Always something to look over. And that's it.
Wow! Okay. Okay. So, that was it for her hidden talent. Ganda boses, mga dudes. Okay. Sana all maganda boses.